Your teacher today is Dr. Bosa, Science. Dr. Bosa is a teacher at the Science Foundation College, the best school that teaches sciences. Today we are going to study A-level physics, lesson 18, sinusoidal AC currents. A graph of a sinusoidal AC current for one cycle is illustrated below. An alternating current or voltage is the current or voltage whose magnitude and direction varies periodically with time. NB. Its variation with time can be represented by a sine curve or a wave, and it is sometimes referred to as a sinusoidal current or voltage. Example 1. What is meant by a sinusoidal voltage? A sinusoidal voltage is a voltage whose variation with time can be represented by a sine curve or sine wave. A peak value or amplitude is the maximum current or voltage of an alternating current. NB, the peak values are denoted by V0, Vm, I0, or Im. Root mean square value, RMS. It is a steady current that will dissipate heat in a given resistor at the same rate as the alternative current or voltage. IRMS is equal to I0 over root 2, and VRMS is equal to V0 over root 2. Period is the time taken to complete one cycle. Frequency is the number of cycles per second is equal to 1 over T. AC wave equation. The sinusoidal wave equation for AC is represented by V is equal to V0 sine omega t, or I is equal to I0 sine omega t, where V0 and I0 at a peak alternating voltage or current, but omega is equal to 2 pi over capital T, and capital T is 1 over F. Therefore, omega is 2 pi F. Thus, the wave equation can be written as V is equal to V0 sine 2 pi ft, or I is equal to I0 sine 2 pi ft. From Ohm's law, V is equal to I R, implying that R is equal to VRMS over IRMS. Example 2, show that the RMS value of an alternating voltage is VRMS is equal to V naught over root 2, where V naught is the peak voltage. Instantaneous power is equal to V squared over R, where V is equal to V naught sine omega t. Power instantaneous is equal to V naught squared sine squared omega t over R. Average power is equal to V naught squared sine squared omega t over R. But sine squared omega t is equal to a half. For steady voltage, P is equal to V squared RMS over 2 R. V squared over R is equal to V squared RMS over 2 R. Hence, VRMS is equal to V naught over root 2. Example 3. A sinusoidal alternating voltage V equal to 170 sine 120 pi t is applied across a resistor of resistance 100 ohms. Determine 1. RMS value of current which flows. 3 marks. IRMS is equal to VRMS over R. But VRMS is equal to V naught over root 2. Therefore, IRMS is equal to V naught over R root 2 is equal to 170 over 100 root 2, which is equal to 1.2a. 2. The frequency of the current through the resistor. Omega is equal to 2 pi f. Omega is equal to 120 pi. Therefore, f is equal to omega over 2 pi is equal to 120 pi over 2 pi, which is equal to 60 Hertz.